वो सारा दिन घर ही रही।
She stayed home all day. She stayed home all day.
हमने छुट्टियों में घर की सफाई में हिस्सा डाला।
We contributed to cleaning the house during the holidays. We contributed to cleaning the house during the holidays.
वो खोया हुआ लगता था।
He seemed to be lost. He seemed to be lost.
बच्चे पर अपना गुस्सा निकालना बंद करें।
Stop taking out your anger on the child. Stop taking out your anger on the child.
बच्चों से तेज धार चीजें छीन लेनी चाहिए।
Sharp objects should be taken away from kids. Sharp objects should be taken away from kids.
इसे बाद में मालूम हुआ कि उसे शादी में क्यों नहीं बुलाया गया था।
He later knew why he wasn't invited to the wedding. He later knew why he wasn't invited to the wedding.
इसका दिल उदासी से बोझल हो रहा था।
Her heart felt heavy with sadness. Her heart felt heavy with sadness.
घर वापस आते ही वो फौरन सो गई।
She went to sleep immediately upon returning home. She went to sleep immediately upon returning home.
पानी के दबाव से छत फटने का खतरा है।
The ceiling threatened to burst from the water pressure. The ceiling threatened to burst from the water pressure.
हम सब रात के खाने से पहले पहुंच गए।
We all arrived before dinner time. We all arrived before dinner time.